Yeah, today we are going to retrofit this digital headlight for this new GLC 2024 X254. Okay, yeah, this is a brand new GLC. Yeah. The lights is over here. This is a digital Mercedes-Benz digital lights. Can you see that? Yeah. Got some blue accent, right, in the corner. And then behind looks like this. Yeah, in the front looks like this. Okay. Mercedes logo over here. Can you see? Yeah. Okay, Mercedes. And a digital light inside. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, we are removing the bumper to install the digital headlight. Yeah, under the 360-degree camera. Okay. Yeah, the front bumper is removed, so we can see the behind. Yeah, this is the radar for the front collision warning. Yeah, this is for the front camera holder. You see, later we'll remove this piece. Okay. Yeah, the big connector for the parking sensors. Huh? Yeah, one side we remove already. See. Okay. This is the digital light mounted. You need a very long, screwdriver extension. So you see the screws. It's fastened. Okay. We will adjust a little bit to, there's a gap over here. We need to mount perfectly. Okay, this is the new one. Oh, this is the old one. Yeah, this time still the old one. So you can feel the difference. Yeah, no, the old one is still slow dialysis. This one is like this, like that. So don't think this is the wrong or something. Yeah, original is like that. Yeah, this is the headlights. So once we remove, you can see this screw must be loosened, right? First one. Okay. Second one here, third one, and here another one. Okay, so this light is mounted by 4 very strong nuts. 1, 2, 3, and a 4. 3 and a 4. Okay, so clear. Tree. we can remove this guy. The power connector already disconnect. It's over here. Because when we are doing the installation of the new lights, we will do the wiring, the what they call, not wiring, the coding first. So we make sure the light is working well. You see, the lights actually lights up already. Then we will remove the old lights and install the new lights. Actually, we added a 2 wire. One is this one is this one. Okay, both the thicker one. So go inside the car. Yeah, the new lights go inside. Then plugging. The connector is over there. See that? Yes. Yeah, these 2 sets lights is removed. Then we have installed the new lights, digital light over here. Yeah, you can take a look. Yeah, beautiful. Like this way. Yeah. Okay, so this is the digital light. Yeah, for the digital light, inside the setting, you can see something like dynamic low beam. So the beam will adjust according to the steering wheel angle. Okay, that means you're turning left and right, the beam will turning left and right. Okay, so this is so-called a dynamic low beam. And welcome and farewell projects. That means he can do this digital ran. It's like this, and the Starwave like this way, and all turn it off. Okay, so you can choose Starwave or digital ran or off. Sorry. And inside this supporting projection, that means you can, in certain situations, digital light will project additional information on the road surface. That means on the road surface when you are driving, like those warning sign, turning left, turning right, or front collision warning, or even the sometimes you are driving on the construction based road, so he will giving you warning, alerts or spotlight. Okay, this is a low beam. So in Singapore, we left-handed side traffic. That means we drive on the left side, but our steering wheel is on the right side, so we choose left side traffic. Okay, you see this is an L, and inside the light setting we can see. Okay, we can do high beam, low beam, not low beam, sorry, this is auto high beam. That means the digital light will do the partial lights or light beam splitting, or so-called tunneling effect, to do this anti-glare intelligent light. Okay, so this is digital light functions in Singapore. Okay, that's the whole thing. So now we are locking the car by pressing this button. Now we can see the digital light. It's called Starwave. Okay. Yeah, this is a digital RAM. Okay, let's start the engine. You can see the light light will be dancing like left and right for a while. Okay, that's the digital light starting up. Thank you for watching.